The Starlink UTA-222 Mount is specifically designed to enhance the performance of the Starlink high-performance Internet satellite kit, providing users with an outstanding connection experience. This mount is compatible with poles up to 2 4/10 inches in diameter, offering users the flexibility to position their Starlink setup wherever it is most convenient. Built with high-quality materials, the mount is incredibly stable and can support up to 300 pounds, ensuring it remains secure even in adverse weather conditions. Installation is straightforward and hassle-free, with all necessary hardware included. Simply slide the adapter onto the pole, tighten the screws, and place your Starlink device. The mount features a sleek, modern design with a pure gray finish that blends seamlessly into any environment, enhancing the visual appeal of the setup. Overall, the Starlink UTA-222 Mount by XLTTYWL offers a perfect blend of functionality and aesthetics, making it an excellent choice for Starlink users seeking both performance and style.